This episode is brought to you by My Patriot Supply. My Patriot Supply is to stock up on your food items and to make sure that you're prepared if you have any emergency preparedness needed. In fact, they have a 4-week emergency supply, and which averages 2,000 calories a day, and you can read on the website of how to go, survival supplies and emergency preparedness gear. They also have several items: water filtration, air purification, survival coffee, and they have the option to buy now and pay later. So, My Patriot Supply. Go to jjmediaonline.net/MyPatriotSupply for your products. Okay, let's get on to the video.
I would like to, first of all, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Many of you that have been following me, you may not be subscribed to me, but you've seen my videos here and there. I normally do tech. Normally I do websites, tech, SEO, online marketing. But I have switched to the focus during this coronavirus to focus on news articles that are affecting us. And I'm only going to be sharing one news article on this video today, but it's something I'm hoping to help expose what the politicians are doing. And if you are not involved and do not get involved in and vote for your desired politician, you have no one to blame except yourself. I have no one to blame except myself. So I'm going to talk to you here. Today is April 11th. It is the day before Easter. We're looking at focusing on the resurrection of Jesus Christ. But this article is what, this isn't about religious things, but it's what the Democrats are doing. They say they care about you. They say that they are really all about helping you. Well, let me go to this article, and we're going to show you. All right, it is on the Western Journal. I will drop the link in the video description. That way you can look it up yourself. But look at this, the politics of this. CNN, NBC, BLOOMBERG, Politico all change headlines on the same story that tells truth about Democrats. The truth is coming out. For a few minutes Thursday, a number of establishment media outlets reported the truth by accurately noting that Senate Democrats had blocked a Republican proposal to offer further assistance to small businesses during the coronavirus shutdown. Remember, the Democrats always say they're for the working man, they're for America, they're for the you. No, they're not. They have their own interest. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell attempted to pass a White House-backed $250 billion relief package aimed at helping small businesses Thursday by unanimous consent, as most lawmakers are currently not in Washington. Republicans sought to increase funding for the Payback Protection Program from $350 billion to $600 billion. Let me just go ahead and open this up. And the Small Business Payback Protection Program. This program provides small businesses with funds to pay up to 8 weeks of payroll cost, including benefits. Funds can also be used to pay interest on mortgages, rent, and utilities. Fully forgiven. And this is what, not that I agree with the government just handing out money, but it's obviously they're trying to support all the what's been happening with the shutdown. It's hurt small businesses. But funds are provided in the form of loans that will be fully forgiven when used for payroll costs, interest on mortgages, rent, and utilities. Due to likely high likely high subscription, at least 75% of the forgiven amount must have been used for payroll. So they're trying to help the small business out. But what do Democrats do? Democrats seeking to add an additional $250 billion for pet projects and double the amount Republicans were seeking, made sure nothing got done. So they blocked the coronavirus aid. It eventually passed, but this is what Democrats are doing. And the media, for a little while, had their headlines correct. But the media is as corrupt as what the Democrats and the deep state are. So that is what is happening. So, said all that to say, subscribe, share. There's a link below if you want to donate to us, donate to our channel. We appreciate it. We hope to be bringing you more news, the current news, what is happening. Get involved. Get involved with your local politicians. Let them know. Contact them. Email, call. Bombard their website. Bombard their local office. Get involved. Let them know you're upset. Let's join together as a country and move on. And we look forward to seeing our country coming back, our economy just exploding, and we go on as Americans. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.